Hey guys, it's Luke, your digital concierge at Gramophone, and today we are taking a dive into the Planar 3 turntable by Rega. Rega, an English audio company known for their wonderful line of planar turntables, but also for their excellent integrated amplifiers, phono stages, and separate power supplies, brings a lot to the table in the P3. This is where you begin to cross into that threshold of mid-fi grade turntables that have some special and unique features that we'll talk about. While on the note of talking about Rega, be sure to check out our other Rega video on the Planar 2. You can find the link down below. Alright guys, so now we'll talk about the specs and features of the Planar 3, and we'll start right here with the RB330 tone arm. This is a relatively new tone arm designed by Rega that has been made to be very balanced across the entire length of the arm, and when you first touch it, it comes off as feeling very delicate, and I mean that in the good sense, that it is gentle and light on its feet. There's a brand new bearing housing as well as bearing in here as well, and that gives it a near frictionless quality. It is an excellent tone arm and one of the great reasons to step up to a Planar 3. It also features a new bias assembly with stiffer springs and a more rigid construction, and one of my personal favorite touches, you get a better cable on this table as well. These are Neutrik connectors. If you know anything about Neutrik, you know they make some of the absolute best connectors in both the Pro and audiophile spaces. The balancing weight is also a new design. It weighs in at 100 grams and is made out of a coated mild steel. And there is a new design for both the horizontal and vertical bearings. The motor on the Planar 3 is a 24-volt design featuring a new PCB for improved control. And on the Planar 3, you get into the space with Rega in which you can now use this separate Neo power supply unit to give you electronic control of speed rather than having to change the belt, and for a cleaner, flatter power signal. Now we'll get into the design aspects of the Planar 3, and we'll start with the plinth. This is a laminated acrylic plinth available in 3 different finishes. As you can see, I have the piano black with me today, but it's also available in a high gloss white as well as red. It is a very stiff and well constructed plinth that is very stable and has very little vibration transmission. Underneath this plinth is a new bottom brace that is 3 millimeters thick and also features a metallized ski between the arm and the center of the platter. The platter of the Rega 3 is their Opti-White glass platter. It has this polished edge to it that looks absolutely lovely, and being a solid chunk of glass does well for vibration resistance and stability. The Rega 3 also features redesigned feet that improve stability over previous models. Starting at just under $1,000 and available with multiple cartridge options, the Planar 3 is a wonderful value because it gets you into the world of mid-fi grade turntables, many of which can cost up to twice as much. Definitely have a look at the Planar 3 if you're shopping around this price point. It brings a lot to the table. Turntable. You can purchase this great turntable online 24/7 at skybygramophone.com, where you can check out securely and receive fast and free shipping right to your door. Also, be sure to come check it out at one of our showroom locations in Timonium, Columbia, Gaithersburg, or at our Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. Whether you're looking for project ideas, need to schedule a service request, or would like to speak with one of our hi-fi, home theater, or interior design experts, get inspired at gramophone.com. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and drop a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe to the Gramophone channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. But remember, we want to hear from you guys. What do you think of the Planar 3, and what do you want to see from me in the future? As always, thank you for watching. Be seeing you.